Today I'm gonna show you how to input zeros in the blank cells using a macro to do it automatically, because I got lots of blank cells here in this data set in the last column, and doing it manually will take some time and will take some effort. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do it automatic by creating a macro, and I'm gonna use the macro to input the zeros here. So I'm gonna open the VBA editor, Alt plus F11, and then I'm gonna insert the module number 1, and then I'm gonna write the macro. My macro name would be input zeros. So input zeros, enter. Then I only have one variable that I'm gonna declare. So my variable is dim RNG range. Enter. And then when I input the zeros, I have to select the range that I'm gonna input the zeros. So I'm gonna include the selection dot value equals selection, okay, selection dot value, enter. And then I'm gonna loop it. So for each range or RNG range in selection, okay, then condition if range is equal to quotation mark or range is equal to quotation mark space quotation mark, then enter. Range dot value is equal, so that's the number that we're gonna input is the 0, so I'm gonna enclose it with the quotation mark 0, then quotation mark, then NF, then next I, or rather next range, so next RNG range, then end sub. Okay, so just very short code for our macro. So I'm gonna go back to Excel. So okay, we got lots of blank cells here. Then I'm gonna populate it with the zeros, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select this range. Okay, I'm gonna select this range by Control Shift then End, right? Okay, so I'm gonna open the macro, Alt plus F8, Alt plus F8. Okay, I'm gonna run it. So there you have it. Okay, we save some effort in doing it manually, inputting the zeros. There are lots of zeros here. So alright, okay, especially if you have a very long list and you got lots of blank cells that you're gonna input some zeros, then it will take some time doing it manually, and it will take some effort to do it. All right, so we gotta use the macro to do it for us. That's it for our exercise today. Thank you for watching and see you the next one.